Hello everyone, I'm so excited because I received another package of seeds from some of my favorite seed suppliers. So today is a seed haul and unboxing. First up is my package from Haas Tools. I'm going to tell you that Haas Tools is first and foremost because they featured one of my photos on their Instagram, Facebook, and website. It is the sunflower with the two bumblebees. I was so honored and so thankful, and it really made my long weekend just that much more special. And if you don't already know, I do photography on the side. These days I'm focusing on wildlife and flowers and garden photography. So I have a lot of my better images on my Instagram, my main Instagram page, if you want to check that out. Okay guys, I'm really excited because in the Haas Tool package, they gave a sticker away, and I love stickers, and this is going directly on my laptop. The actual seeds that I got from Haas Tools are the Helios golden radishes. They are bright yellow, and it says you plant in early spring and fall. Planting depth is 1/4 of an inch. A lot of my radishes are going to go in 5 and 10 gallon grow bags. And like I said in my previous video, I'm going to be spacing these out a little bit better so that I can make sure and get a little bit larger radishes. So I'm going to be a little bit more intentional about planting the radishes as opposed to what I did in the spring. So those are the Helios golden radishes. They look gorgeous. And then we have purple plum radishes. What I really wanted to do was get a variety of color of radishes in my garden. I think that bringing more beauty into even your vegetables and things like that make gardening that much more fun. Okay, so purple plum radishes. Okay, and finally from Haas Tools, I have the Laurentian, if I'm pronouncing that right, rutabaga. So I already have the American top purple rutabaga, and I wanted to try another one as well. So these are 6-inch spacing with a planting depth of 1/4 of an inch. What I'm going to do with the rutabagas is I am going to treat them kind of like a potato, and it's a lower carb alternative to potatoes, and I really like to try and stay as low carb as possible. So I'm really looking forward to the rutabagas this winter. Okay, next up is Botanical Interests, another one of my favorite seed companies, and something about Botanical Interests that makes me keep coming back. Not only do they provide obviously good seeds and everything, but also their seed packets are so beautiful, and I am such a sucker for beautiful seed packets. Like, you give me a beautiful seed packet, I'm gonna buy it. Oh, look at this. This is so cute. What is that called? Vellum or velour or something? It's right on top of the seed pack. Oh, Botanical Interests. They really know how to grab someone who loves things packaged beautifully. Ooh, I bought a lot from them. Don't tell my husband. Okay. So first up, we have Utah celery. Really excited about well, I'm excited about everything, so let me just stop saying that. Okay, so celery, let's see. I'm not gonna sow these until early spring next year, but we love celery here. Imagine slicing that first big, beautiful bunch of celery from the earth in your garden. You can harvest individual stalks when just 6 inches tall, or wait for the bunch to mature. So this is actually not for the fall. It is for the early spring. So I'm gonna put this aside because I'm not gonna be sowing that now. Okay, so then I received some Brentwood lettuce leaf, and also some black-seeded Simpson lettuce leaf. These I need to get done today. So then this one's really pretty. This is another bunching onion. So I'm already growing the Lisbon bunching onion. This one is the Italian red of Florence bunching onion. Oh, it looks gorgeous. So this old Italian heirloom is commonly used in Italy for pinzimonio. I'm not of Italian ancestry. A colorful mixture of raw vegetables served with a separate bowl of oil and vinegar and salt. Use this colorful torpedo type young red onion in almost any dish requiring onions. Hard to find in grocery stores, so grow at home. Excited about this one. My gosh, I just said it again. Okay. Ooh! A free packet of seeds, tall sunflowers. We'll definitely be using those next year. I'll put those with the celery. Okay, so then I got some more radishes. I got some, these are Crimson Giant radishes. So this large spring radish, it says spring, but I'm gonna grow it now. So it's up to 2 inches in diameter. White interior and mild flavor, refreshing on salads and sandwiches, or eaten like an apple. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Okay, cool. Okay, then we have, oh, they give you a free seed starting guide. That's cool. Okay, and then we have the cherry bell. It says on here, cut radishes to create beautiful radish roses and use as a garnish. That would be so much fun. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Next we have my first packet of daikon radishes. Let's see if I can get this. Again, I am planting all sorts of daikon radishes to bust up my clay soil because in my cutting garden, which is turning over into a vegetable garden, I want to plant more in the ground on the edges of the fence. And so to get that clay busted up, I'm gonna use daikon radishes. And I actually bought daikon radishes from other places too, because I just wanted to try, like, see if there was any difference or whatever. Okay, so then I got another package of the French breakfast radish, and I really liked these this past spring because they're so, you know, they're longer, and so there's a little more in there. There's a little more like product. Finally, from Botanical Interests, I have watermelon radishes. I'm not even going to attempt to say that name, but anyway, here we go. And let's see, this is the most popular of the Chinese beauty heart radishes. Mild radishes that can weigh up to 1 pound each. Slice the greenish white exterior to reveal a vivid fuchsia interior. Winter radishes are best sown in the late summer or fall as short days trigger root growth. So cool. Let me see. Let me just make sure y'all saw that. Okay. That is the last seed packet from Botanical Interests. And just a note, if you like things that are packaged beautifully and have beautiful seed packets, Botanical Interests is one of those companies. Okay, my next package is from Mowing organic seeds. I got my silver slicer seeds from Mowing organic seeds when they were hard to find, and they were like the only place that had them. I still have them. They're germinating beautifully. I mean, not anymore now that it's about to be fall. Remember guys, these boxes that you get with, you know, just for anything that you order online, take the tape off and then you can use the box to smother weeds and to make new garden beds. That's what I do all the time. And yeah. Ooh. Oh yeah, okay, now I remember what I ordered from here. Okay. First up is the tilling radishes. Mowing Organic Seeds is the other place that I purchased tilling radishes from. So I bought some from Botanical Interest, Mowing Organic Seeds. I have some left over from, I think it's Southern Seed Exchange. I'll put the name up on the video. And then I missed my opportunity for the Haas daikon radishes. I just wanted to try a bunch of them and see if they differed at all. But anyway, so really excited to get that going. Oh yeah, and I ordered some really cool stuff from Mowing Organic Seeds. So the first up is Claytonia. So this is an attractive, cold, hardy green, unique heart-shaped leaves with succulent, fresh flavor, frost-tolerant, and ideal for multiple cuts in winter hoop houses. I have never tried Claytonia, so this is going to be that's going to be fun. And then I purchased Ford Hook Giant Chard. I realized after I purchased my first batch of fall seeds that I just purchased the rainbow, the bright lights. And so I wanted to get this Ford Hook Giant one because I believe it was frost tolerant, but I'll try and look that up before I post this. And then I purchased Bo Pak Pak Choi. I have no idea what this tastes like. Everybody always talks about growing it. I figured I'd just, go ahead and jump on that bandwagon. And the next company I ordered from is Baker Creek. Now, the other three I am an affiliate for, so if you wanted to support my 90% native project, there will be links below to these companies, and I get a little commission or whatever you want to say if you use my links. It is no more expensive for you though. But anyway, just in case you want to support this project of mine, Baker Creek is a favorite seed company of mine, although I am not an affiliate for them. I don't think they have a program, otherwise I would be. Okay, so Baker Creek is another company that has very beautiful seed packets, and again, coming in this type of box that I will definitely be reusing for creating garden beds, suppressing weeds, all that kind of stuff. Okay, I got so excited, elephant garlic. I'm so excited about these. So I am putting these in my deer resistant vegetable patch, and I think I'm trying to work out the design right now. Yesterday I did a lot of work in that area, and I transplanted my artichokes, my globe artichoke and my imperial artichoke, out of the grow bag and actually put it in the ground. And then on one side of those artichokes I am going to put these elephant garlic. So I'm going to make sure and do some research on these today to get those in the ground. And then the other one that I got is the Egyptian walking onion. So I don't think I'm going to be able to explain the Egyptian walking onion very well because it's not exactly like in my wheelhouse yet. My understanding is they grow up and then the stem falls down and that guy roots itself and then they go up, something like that. If I can find a link to a much better description than what I just told you, I will definitely put it up on the screen and down below. But I'm really wanting to line that quote unquote deer resistant veg patch with things that the deer aren't going to want to mess with. And almost so these guys and the artichokes are going to be the border of that. Maybe I'll run out and just show you a picture. But anyway, Egyptian walking onions. Guys, I am so excited about these fall vegetables. A lot of these vegetables are going to go on my deck so I can experiment with like small container gardening on decks and share those results with you. I'm so glad I went ahead. I really actually wasn't planning to get a whole second seed haul, but there were a couple things that I forgot, like that giant Ford chard and a couple other small things that I forgot. And I ended up finding a bunch of really cool things. So you guys, start getting your fall seeds sown now so that you can have a fall and winter harvest. I will put a list in the description or a table or something like that, something that I can link to show you all of the vegetables that I am growing and where I purchased them from, regardless of affiliate link or not. I just want to make that clear. And maybe you guys will want to try some of those vegetables with me. If you guys wouldn't mind, if any of these vegetables that I am sowing that I've mentioned either in this video or my last video, and you have recipes that you love for these types of vegetables, please put it in the description below, because I am not an advanced vegetable eating person and a lot of these vegetables are new to me. and I need some recipes. So I would love to hear from you all in the comments. I am going to put a link to the video I did the other day showing my first batch of seeds that I was sowing for this fall and winter, and that will be right here. So I hope you can grow some of those vegetables or some of these new vegetables I got today with me, and we can share and swap our stories and recipes. Okay everyone, that is it for today. I hope you'll join me in growing some of these fall and winter vegetables. Thank you so much, and I will see you again next time.